Good morning, year one. I hope you're all well. So, today in maths, we're starting a new topic, which is time. So, the learning intention is to be able to use key vocabulary related to time, and the date is 30.06.20. So, we're nearly in July, which is very exciting. Okay, let's start the lesson. So, the key vocab that we're going to be learning today is, let's have a look at these words: before, after, morning, afternoon, evening, first, next, last, and finally. So these are the words we're going to be learning and using in today's lesson. So let's have a look at the picture. Have a look at this picture here and see what's happening. So there's someone that's falling over what looks like a banana peel, and his papers are going flying. And there's someone here that has been eating bananas. So, what do you think could have happened before this picture? You can write the answer, or you can think about it, or maybe you can tell your adult. Okay, let's have a look. So, maybe the man in the background threw his banana peel on the floor, and that's how this man here slipped and fell over. What could have happened after? So, after this picture, what do you think happened? Again, you can write it down, you can just think about it, or you can tell your adult. Okay, let's have a look. So maybe the man who threw his banana peel apologises and says sorry and helps to pick up the papers. What do you think happened? Well done. Which of these usually happens before school? So is it bath time? Do you brush your teeth? Or do you have breakfast? It could be more than one. Let's have a look at the answer. So you usually brush your teeth and have breakfast before you come to school. Well done. Okay, you can either draw or write something you do at each time of the day. So there are 3 columns, and I want you to think about when you're at school, what do you normally do before break time? Think about the kind of lessons you have before break time. What do you do at break time when you're usually out in the playground? What kind of things do you get up to? And then after break, what do you do? Again, think about the lessons that we do in school after break. If you want to, you can do this for a break that you might be having when you're at home at the moment, if you can't remember back to school. Okay, so you can pause the video and either write the answers or you can draw the answers. So do that now. Well done. Let's have a look at some of the answers. Again, these are just things that I've got. Maybe what you've got's different to me. Okay, so before break, we usually have maths in the morning before break. And maybe some of you do some reading as well. Okay, at break, maybe you're skipping at break, maybe you're playing with your friends, and maybe you're having a nice snack. What about after break? What do you do after break when break is finished? Let's have a look. So we usually have phonics right after break time, and we also have English as well. Well done. Okay, the next question. Faith is drawing a picture. Use the words first, then, and finally to describe her drawing. So there are 3 parts to her drawing. You can either just write first, then, and finally underneath the correct pictures, or you can write it as a sentence. So you can pause the video and do that now. Okay, let's have a look at the answer. So first, Faith draws the robot's head, as we can see here. Then she draws the body. There's the body there. Finally, she draws the legs and colours it in. So this is what it looks like in the beginning when she's first drawing it, and when she's finished drawing, that's what it looks like at the end when she's finished. Well done if you managed to use those key words first, then, and finally. You're doing really well, year one. Okay, let's have a look at the next question. So, complete the sentence using one of the words below. Write all possible answers. So, I brush my teeth, something, I go to bed. Have a look and choose one. And then I went to the shops and something, I bumped into my friend. Again, have a look and choose one of these key words. You can pause the video and do that now. Well done. Let's have a look at the answers. So I brush my teeth before I go to bed. And then I went to the shops and then I bumped into my friend. Well done if you got those correct. Right, your next activity is to sort the activities here into before and after school. So breakfast, do you do that before or after school? What about your bedtime story? Getting dressed and going to a party. Okay, can you think of one more activity for each group? So if you've got your two groups before school and after school, can you think of something else that you do before school? And then something else that you do after school? Okay, well done. Can you sort the activities into three groups labelled morning, afternoon, and evening? So for example, we all know that we have breakfast when do we have breakfast? In the afternoon? In the evening? No, I'm pretty sure it's in the morning, isn't it? It's in the morning, yeah, well done. So can you sort the rest of the activities into morning, afternoon, and evening? Well done. Okay, let's have a look at the next question. Tommy is drinking a bottle of orange juice. Match the words to the bottles to order them. So have a look at the key words, finally, first, and next. So you have to match up the correct picture to the correct key term. Well done. Okay, here's our main activity now. So if you're in my phonics group, Mrs. Meta's phonics group, or Miss Morgan's phonics groups, you're going to be using sentences to describe